Hi you guys, hope you're doing super well today. Well, I am so happy to be making this video for you guys because I just graduated from an amazing course that I just did here in India. I am right now in Greens Ayurveda. This is a Ayurvedic school and hospital which they treat with Ayurvedic treatments a lot of illnesses and diseases, and they offer so much amazing courses for all of you that are interested in learning much more about this amazing science. And oh my god, I'm so happy to have this opportunity to really learn this science. It's incredible. It's so old. It's more than 5,000 years ago, and it makes so much common sense and logic, the procedures that they use. And what I love about Ayurvedic is that they defend the nature, and it's really holistic. So all of the treatments that they use to treat symptoms of illnesses are made out of ingredients found in nature, like roots, like leaves, like spices, so or flowers. So it's amazing because it's much more in tune of what I'm searching right now in this life for my body and for all of you. So part of my pharmacy course, I learned so much home remedies to treat the most common illnesses, and I love it, guys, because these are made of ingredients that you can find so easily, and probably you have them already at your home. So this workshop of today, I prepared it with one of the most lovable doctors here in this school, that it's called Dr. Resbin. The thing is that she's really shy and she didn't want to appear in the video, but she helped me to make this workshop for all of you. So I will make all of the recipes for you, so I hope that you love it, and I hope that it worked for you and you can use them on you and your whole family. So let's begin. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the cocktail, the health cocktail number 1, and this is perfect for diabetics. And why is that perfect? Because we're gonna use the fenugreek. That the fenugreek is a liver tonic. That means that it helps to detoxify the liver, plus it is a stimulant for the pancreas. It makes the pancreas produce more insulin. And at the same time, we're going to use amalaki. That amalaki is this amazing fruit with so much antioxidants properties. So it's perfect for people that has diabetes. At the same time, it's perfect for anybody. It's a super amazing healthy cocktail. So what we need to do is powder these two. Okay guys, it's ready. You have the powder, and you just have to pour 1 teaspoon of this fabulous powder, and you just pour warm water. I highly recommend this for people who suffers from diabetes or any other person that wants to have much more health, because it's gonna help you in different levels. Like I told you, liver tonic, pancreas, and antioxidants. So anti-aging, rejuvenating, it's gonna be amazing for your health. So you just drink it that on an empty stomach every morning, once a day. Okay, so the second remedy is for constipation. This is a super common illness, especially in women, and this recipe is for you. And it's really simple, just need 1 ingredient, and it's raisins. And why raisins is so good for constipation? Because raisin has one type of fiber, that is the soluble fiber, that is the one that helps all the movement of the intestine. Plus, the raisins, as grapes that they are super high in antioxidants, so it maintains your intestine in a really healthy environment. So this recipe is really easy. The only thing is that you have to do it the night before. And it's just take 1 glass of water, pour the raisins into the water and leave it all night. So as you're seeing here, the raisins soaked overnight. As you can see, the water already changed the color and they're a little bit more hydrate. And from this, using the same water, you just have to blend them. So guys, the idea with this juice is for you to drink it first time in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can use it whenever you feel constipated. This remedy, I know that it's gonna help a lot of you because it's to treat very common illness that it's for example, when you have acidity here in your throat or esophagus, or when you have like hot flashes, your temperature is really high, or you're feeling this hot sensation in your body, or when you have ulcers or any type of burning sensation. And it happened here in Ayurveda. They believe that when these symptoms happen is because your internal fire, your internal digestion is getting much more higher and unbalanced than it should. So we need to contrast this effect by making a remedy that cool down the fire. And for that, we can make the cooling effect that it's called Shira, and Shira Kashaya, it's like cold infusions, and they are called Hima. So they're really good in treating this type of symptoms, and this is an amazingly easy thing to do, and the only thing you need to do is to get yourself something that it has cooling properties. For example, the coriander seeds. So coriander seeds has a super amazing cooling effect on the body, so it helps a lot to pacify the fire, the extra fire that you have. And in this case, you just have to pour the coriander in a glass of water and leave it all night. Okay, the next day you filter it and you drink it. So I did this the night before, so you can see that it already changed the color. So we're gonna filter it so you can see it. Okay, and coriander seeds, you can get them mostly anywhere in the world, so this is an amazing thing. Like I said, when you have ulcers, when you have gastric problems, when you have acidity, when you have hot flashes or burning sensations in your body, this beverages is for you, and you can use it any time of the day, as many times as you want. Okay, so you can just have it there in a container and just continue drinking it. And this is perfect for ulcers in your mouth. Okay, inside your mouth. There's a lot of people that suffer from ulcers, and they are, oh my god, so painful. I had them when I was much younger. I'm happy that I don't have them right now, but I know that a lot of people suffer from that. And for this, we're gonna use honey. That honey, oh my god, is one of the most amazing medicines in this world. It has so much properties, and we're gonna combine it, mix it with licorice. And these two, we're gonna make a paste. So you can put them on the ulcers in your mouth, or you can take it to like internally, not only externally, and it will help the same as the coriander to cool your fire down, because the ulcers is too much fire, too much digestion, so it starts burning your mouth. So these two, it's perfect to cool your body down. So it's easy, you just have to mix it. Okay, let's begin. So here is the paste already done. As I explained you can use it externally over the ulcer, or you can just have 1 teaspoon of this every day, 1 or 2 a day after the meals. Okay. Okay guys, ready for our fifth home remedy. This, I know that it's gonna work for all of you because it's perfect for respiratory disorders. For example, when you're with a cold, it will help you a lot to manage much better the phlegms that you're producing in your body, to put your fever down and get to a normal temperature, and to cure the overall disease. So it's amazing for any person in your house. It can anybody can consume it in any age, and it's made out of ingredients that you can find in your own kitchen. So I love it. Basically, what you need is cinnamon, cloves, pepper, cardamom. This one is tulasi leaves, like basil leaves. This is neem leaves, dry ginger, and oregano leaves. One important thing is, if you cannot find, for example, neem leaves or tulasi leaves, it's okay. You can do it with the other ingredients that are much more easier to find. Okay? If not, this can be normal basil too. So the first thing we have to do is to crush all of these ingredients to make them a decoction. Okay? So let's begin. I have to say, guys, that I love this thing. I don't have one at home, and I cannot carry this from India because it's too heavy, but I'm gonna buy one because this is too cute to use. Nonetheless, if you don't have this crusher, you just use the blender and that's fine. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to take all of these ingredients and I'm gonna blend them, or crush them in this case. Important, the dry ginger, you can cut it in pieces first, and the cardamom, you have to take it out, okay, in order to crush it. So let's do it. So guys, important, it doesn't have to be like completely powdered because it's gonna be in a decoction. It's just to crush it a little bit, just to break it up a little bit. This is basically it. We just needed to boil it and make the decoction. The most important thing here is, when you are making a decoction, you have to wait until the water is reduced at least at half. Okay, the more you leave it, the more potency it will have, because it's more concentrated. So at least half of the water should be boiled. Okay, so we're gonna just leave it there until it is done and ready to have it. The decoction is in process, so it needs a little bit longer. Guys, the decoction is ready. So can you see the level? It was over here. Oh, so silly. It was over here, and now we reduce it until like half. So this, basically what we need to do is, oh my god, this is hot, wait. Okay, perfect. We need to filter it. Look at those herbs. Those herbs is gonna put your health really awesome. So basically, this is the decoction. We have two options now: or you drink the decoction like that, or the other option is to put caffeine. And believe it or not, to put a little bit of coffee can be good for you in this situation. And this is mainly because of two reasons. One, because the coffee make your fire a little bit higher, meaning your digestion a little bit higher, so it's like an appetizer, which is really good for you when you're in a cold, because sometimes when we don't feel that good, we don't tend to eat much, and it can help you to put more food into your body. And the second thing is that the caffeine will be a kick for your energy, so it's gonna be good for your mental energy to be a little bit high. So to this, I'm gonna add just a little bit of coffee, and that's it, and let it cool down just a little bit, and you just drink it you can drink it twice or 3 times a day when you have a cold. Okay. Okay guys, the last one, the sixth remedy, is using camphor, this one, and sesame oil. And we're gonna use this as kind of like a paste to use it externally. And it's amazing to use it when you have pain. For example, pain in your joints, or if you have a muscular pain, any kind of external pain, you're gonna use this oil that is medicated oil in order to help you with that, with your injury. And what it happens is that camphor, it's really, if you smell it, it's really refreshing, so it's really cooling. So when there's things that are inflamed, is the same as I was explaining, is your fire, according to Ayurveda, is your fire that is really high, that is causing the inflammation, so we need to cool it down. And camphor, it's perfect for that. And the sesame oil is anti-inflammatory, so it's really good. They go together. So basically what we need to do is the camphor, because it's solid, we need to make it dust. So again, in my favorite thing, we're gonna just put the camphor inside and just smash it. It's really easy. And combine it with the oil, and that's it. You have your mixture here, and you just put it in your skin or when it hurts. For example, if your joints hurts, and remember to massage smoothly. You can use it, for example, for knees, for ankles, for joints, for shoulders, for lower back pains. It feels really nice. It's really cooling, really refreshing. So guys, this was the video for today. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that it works for you. Please leave any comment down below, or you can find me too in my website as rameliving.com. I'm gonna leave to the contact of this beautiful school, so you will have it too. And remember that every Monday a new blog. I'm always talking about wellness tips, and now I'm gonna give you a little bit more of the things that I have learned about Ayurveda, and I'm always showing you the beautiful places of my travelings too. So stick around, and you can follow me too in Rameliving in social media like Facebook and Instagram, so you can continue be receiving all of the tips of wellness. So I hope that we build a strong community of happy people and healthy people. So be happy, be safe, see you next Monday, and love you all. Bye.